Do you want to help reveal a tiny story? Reveal the cards by tapping on them. Baby snail. Adult snail. The eggs. Put the cards in order to make a story. Amazing job! The mother snail lays eggs underground, and soon the eggs hatch. Baby snails are born with a tiny shell that gets bigger as they grow. Now our snail is an adult. Snails can curl inside their shells to protect themselves. Wow! You've revealed the life cycle of a snail! Snail eggs. Snails eat their eggs. Adult snail. Baby snail. Order the cards in the timeline. Good job! Baby snails hatch from eggs. They already have a tiny shell, which gets bigger as they grow. Snails eat their own eggs after they hatch because it helps make their shell harder. Baby snails eat lots of green leaves to help them and their shell grow bigger. Adult snails have a fully grown shell, which they keep with them for life as protection. You are an amazing story builder!